Naabot ang Mr. D.i.y ang mga laway ligo.
Biggest siya.
Way ligo, naabot ang Mr. D.i.y. What's up mga kapre, may buntagin atas sa Mr. D.i.y. Mamalitag mga butangan na natuburing sa tuwang air conditioning, kibultay. So, muna siya mga pre, station. Naraw. Diyan ka mo. Mag-ikubag na kay Sanderon, wala sila. Plastic.
Ikaw ang
Sana
binanais ko, binibining marikit na dalangin ko. Ikaw
Prices for D.i.y Fair Trade Permit Number FTEB 189639 Series of 2024. Good day, shoppers! Come and visit Mr. D.i.y today. Shop around our store for essential goods, household, hardware, electrical, car accessories, stationery, and many more. Shop from April 19, 20, and 21 and get one free umbrella or water bottle for a minimum spend of only 500 pesos. Mr. D.i.y. Always low prices. So what are you waiting for? Shop now at Mr. D.i.y. Toledo, Cebu City. Located at 307 Viva Capagal Highway, Barangay Poblacion, Toledo City. Mr. D.i.y. Always low prices.
dito ka ba nakatitig sa akin, yeah. Gusto kong malaman kung anong ibig sabihin, yeah. Ang iyong patingin, ito ay para sa
Number
akin.
FTEB 189639 Series of 20. Good day, shoppers! Come and visit Mr. D.i.y today. Shop around our store for essential goods.